Hey, so this is my video for the leadership 2 form. So you had to pick two leaders that you are kind of familiar with. So my first one is Barack Obama, and I think that he's very successful just because I think that he did a great job giving a voice to those who normally don't feel like their voice is heard in a society. And I think that he did a great job empowering those and motivating others to really want to take charge in their communities to make change on a social level and thus an economic level eventually. And so then I also think that my manager at work now, I won't say her name, but I think my manager right now at work is really, really a great leader just because she is always concerned with my well being. She's concerned with others around working like near us on our store level, and she's just really all about personal growth and wanting to make sure that you're happy in the workspace and you are just present when you're there. And I think that both of these people are amazing leaders because they don't try to speak for you; they let you speak and let your voice be heard, whether it be in the workplace or whether it be on society as a large level. And I think that a lot of leaders lack that in today's time. I think that they try to listen to what others are saying, but then at the end of the day, they try to put it into their own words and they try to portray what others are feeling, but they can't do that exactly like that person would do it. So they just need to let them speak for themselves. And that's why I like these two leaders. And then two leaders that I'm not so familiar with, Bill Gates and then Jeff Steiner. I think that's how you pronounce his last name. Bill Gates obviously is the founder of Microsoft. That is a phenomenal thing. To be on that level, obviously you have to be a great leader. You had to have a great team behind you to even found Microsoft. And you had to be it was such an inspiration, really. And then Jeff Steiner is the CEO of LinkedIn. So that right there is an amazing leader because he's not only connecting you to so many resources, so many other people to like further you and your career, but he also went out of his way to not only help himself but help others. And I think that's what being a leader is all about, is helping others.